back to another video. It's Friday, October 7th, 7:13, and I'm outside. I took a $46 order. It is 28 miles, but it's going up to the area that I work in. I do have to work today, but I have to work at 1 my time, 12 their time. So I'm gonna be out until like 12 something and see how much I can make. The grind is real. I don't know why it took me getting a job to like want to grind extra hard. I'm gonna drop this package off today as well. Once I get off work, I'm gonna come back out and do some Uber and DoorDash. Hope that you all enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the comments, the emoji for this video is money. Put the money emoji in the comments, okay? Put some money in the comments, because the grind is real and it don't stop. We're only gonna go harder now because we trying to get stuff straight by the end of the year. So the grind is real, okay? It's realer than real. This is the order. All this stuff. I have to drop this off at the post office. It is now 11:10 and I just finished up a Costco. Well, not just finished up because I just left the store for myself, but I did a Costco order and that was for 2 customers. It was only $21.59, but it was literally only a little bit of items. 6 items, 9 units. So did that, and then I went into Food Line for myself because I wanted some snacks. I noticed yesterday when I was doing the training, I was getting hungry. So I got some snacks. I got some Cheez-Its, some Lay's, and some Oreos. I really should have got a banana. I want some fruit. But now I'm just sitting out here. This is where I used to come at when I first started doing DoorDash. This is bringing back memories. But I would come out around like 4 or 5 and start and stay out till maybe like 9, 10 and do DoorDash. I've been on DoorDash for a year now. I think I started at the end of September or either the beginning of October. Today is going pretty good. I definitely wish I could do more. Like, I wish there was another order up here that I could do because I really wanted to hit 100, but it is what it is. I'll be back out later on tonight. I think I'm about to just go home and get myself ready. We only had 1 day of training. I don't really know what I'm walking into. Yeah, I'm about to go head home. I could do this $13 order. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this $13 order and then that's it. This one is at Kroger and it's only 14 items. Hi there, I work from home and I am in and out of meetings all day. Please leave on porch and do not ring the doorbell. I have 2 large dogs that go crazy. Haha. Thank you so much for your help today. Look, I'm finna be the same way, but I don't really be ordering stuff. But I'm definitely, if I do, I'm be like, don't knock. I work from home. But yeah, let's go knock this out real quick and then I'm going home after this and just get myself ready to start my other job. I'm back home now. I wanted to show y'all my janky setup. About to be sitting on this. I gotta get a chair. I don't have a chair, but this is what I'm working with today. Got everything ready to go. I just gotta bring my snacks over here and make sure I have a pen and paper just in case I need to write down anything. But this is so funny. Okay, so it is now 1:19. I've been sitting here for probably like 20 something minutes because I did clock in, I think like 4 minutes early just to make sure I'm on time. I haven't received any calls yet. I hope I'm doing everything right. Like, I clocked in and I did what they told us to do yesterday, and I haven't received anything. So I don't know if I did something wrong or no one is calling in right now. If I don't receive a call soon, then I'm probably gonna message my team leader and ask him, am I doing everything okay? Because I don't want to just be sitting here, you know, like, I love to sit here and not do anything, but I don't want to just sit here and be doing something wrong, you know, and then end up getting fired or something. So I want to make sure I'm doing everything right. So you guys, I finally just got my first call. I just got the phone. It's 2:01 right now. Bro, 1 day of training is not enough. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. He said that somebody was supposed to come out. He had an appointment scheduled and they were supposed to come out and they didn't. And then he took off of work today and they still didn't show up. I sent a message to the agent and then I gave him the number just in case they didn't email him or call him. Bro, I'm so bad at this. So I have 1 hour left. It is 6 o'clock now. I get off at 7. Today's been a pretty chill day, very slow. I'm ready to go back outside. I'm very bored, I'm not gonna lie, but I did just finish editing. I got the video ready to go. It is now uploaded to YouTube, and once it is done, I'm gonna go ahead and post it. Yeah, so I'll be back outside in 59 minutes to see what else I can make. Tonight it is busy. Let me see if it's still busy. But I was looking at it sad because I'm ready to go outside. It's still busy. So we definitely finna make some money tonight. I'm so mad, bro, because I literally made $81. I had $81 before 12 o'clock. And there were orders coming in, but I had to go home so that I could like set up. But if I had a little bit more time, I would have made 100 before 1. That is crazy. And the lady tipped me some extra change. Let me say her thank you. But yeah, bro, if I did not have to work today, I truly believe I could have made 200. I would have been at 100 by 1 o'clock. And then it's super busy right now. It's been busy for about 2 hours. So I definitely could have ran it up today. But I'm still making money. So I am happy about that. Like, I'm not just sitting in the house doing nothing. Well, I guess I am kinda, but I'm making money while doing nothing. But then I'm also getting content and stuff edited for my YouTube. So I am doing something, but then again, I'm kind of not. But I don't know if it's slow like this because it's Friday or if it's gonna be like this every day. I literally only took 2 calls, and the first one I feel like I messed up on. I didn't really know what I was doing. And then when the second person called, he called like an hour and some change later, and I was kind of lost at first, but I took a breather and I looked for the information and I figured it out, and I did it. So my job is basically to create insurance claims for all the people that were affected by the hurricane. So basically that's literally all I'm doing, and I think that I have the hang of it now. After doing that last one, I think I know what I'm doing now, and it's actually pretty simple. So I don't know if it's like this all the time or is it just because it's Friday so it's pretty slow, but we gonna see. I gotta work again tomorrow the same time, but once my shift is over, I will be back outside and I'll vlog some more. I'm looking real crazy right now. I gotta do something with my hair. I'm so tired of looking like this. I cannot wait to get back outside. I literally think I accepted this order at like 7:01, maybe 7:02. It's 7:09 and I'm about to go get some gas real quick. This order is small. It's like $13, a couple items, and it's around the corner. After I do this, if there's another Instacart order that's good, then I'll take that, but I'm gonna turn on DoorDash and Uber and see what I can get. But I gotta get some gas first, so I'm about to run out. I'm so mad. I left my freaking lip gloss in the house. and it literally rolled into my closet. I just remember that. But I definitely just accepted the dumbest order ever. The 2 dumbest orders is going where I don't really want to go, but what's done is done. I can't afford to cancel any more orders, so I'm just gonna do it. But these are from Volcano Hibachi. Who am I dropping off to first? Okay. For hers down the bottom. Yeah. I want to try this place. I'm gonna try this place one day. Volcano Hibachi. But yeah, so we're on a DoorDash stack right now. Gonna go ahead and go to Lisa and drop this off. Let's see, we are 13 minutes away. I'm done with that order. Both of them actually ended up going up. The first one was, let me see, it's $12.50, and I think it went up to $13.50. And the second one was $7 and it went up to $7.50. So in total it went up to $21. So it actually turned out to be okay. And the second customer, she was nice. She yelled out the door and said thank you. But yeah, now I'm just sitting here. I'm gonna see if I can get something else. I'm gonna try to do maybe like 2 more orders. I'm gonna try. They gotta be decent though. Y'all just think about it. Like if I wouldn't have had to work today, I really would have hit 200. Like I can't get over that. I don't know what's gotten into me these last 2 days, but like the grind is so real. Like I'm really pushing myself. I've never pushed myself this hard. I literally wake up at 5 in the morning. I've been doing that, but I won't leave out the house till maybe like 7. But for the last 2 days, I've been waking up at 5 in the morning, getting out of my bed and turning the apps on and accepting one before I leave the house. First day was at 6:30 something, and then today I had accepted the order at 6:59. After sitting on that freaking hard suitcase for hours, I still managed to come outside afterwards. The grind is so real, bro. I'm determined to get everything straight. Like I'm gonna get everything straight, bro. I'm promising myself. Today was a good day. Work was boring, but it was cool. This morning was good. I feel like the first order I did, I like that it was $45, but I feel like it should have been more for all those drinks and stuff. And the fact that the lady, she had like a long driveway and she had 2 big ass trucks parked in the driveway. So I had to park behind the trucks and lug all this stuff. But that's what I signed up for. I'm not really complaining. I'm just talking right now. But I definitely feel like that should have been more. And she was so nice. I thought she was gonna tip me more, but she didn't. Yeah, so we're gonna see if I can get something else. It's 9:11 right now. I am getting a little tired. I'm honestly ready to touch my bed, but I'm gonna give it some more time before I decide to take it in. So I just took a quick little 650 wine. Oh, literally going down the street. Well, not really down the street, but not too far from here. All right, on my way to Spencer. This may be my last order. I am indeed getting sleepy. I'm 3 miles away, 7 minutes.